Ki Pulit ke East Castles hakani ka kenti lala banong baki klam song thai ban budie ni ka khubor jong Shillong Mail ka bala penmi haka Frederick Risau arjar pulai halor ka jingdam ti jong wei nong elam seng balang ban krong pisa be an neki trok khat arsaka shipho shaka bar prasaka kata hadu khatan spa tengka nak wei katrong uni nong elam seng balang nak jimbudien Ki Pulit lalap bodei ubles Dkhar u president ka seng Trap National Youth Front HNYF bat hak jiakran leng ba ka phun ubles lopan hadu khatan spa shikali ban pelaj iki ban yai nalat mroi tatar lengba ka jingkynkheiñ hadu hamolai bat ki wei jaka naka telong khubor le thu bala kemyo bless hakamet jong ka laipo tarik risau hadien ba Ki Pulit ke register da ka su Moto case persya yu batru banla ban pinsisa ya ka durjong bless ka baki sim bo la Jingpynkheiñ ya ka hukum ka high court ka jinglum pisa be ain bat ki wei le yo jingtep ba manta Ki Pulit kenra yu bless saka yeng ka shari ban panpor ban yo ban toket yu
we don't talk of CI.
Don jong perlok kan ong hak ni keren ni ti ong.
Kalau terlihat tidak.
Kat artli don.
Batang FCI ben.
Don kiwi kimaru FCI ru don kan. Ta perlok ong.
Tilong don FCI kan no kiwi kimar kan no tu.
To kata kemut to FCI kan no yasim boy trok.
Khatam.
Khatsan aja.
Khatam spa.
Khatsan spa boy trok.
Ladam don kisang balang kipadon long genuine. Saya kejat meriu jungi kita. HNF mata adon afnu senam kita ngenye men ya dah kejat meriu. Bat ngak empat dia compromise geno-geno ke isu kejat meriu empat nampak ngimpat dia ru kejat meriu mata.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see? That is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.